Hello, this is my English speaking practice, and I've been absent from this stream because I went to Japan. I went back to Japan. Yeah, and I spent my vacation with my family and friends. And yesterday I came back to Toronto, and so I started to practice English again, and from today I want to solve coding problems on LeetCode, and I prepared the playlist for problems to solve. This is these problems is middle level, and I haven't solved it. There are 1621 questions. Yeah. Yeah, and I think this is good place to practice English because I needed to describe the how the code works, and yeah how can we solve the problems. So today I'm going to solve this problem, zigzag conversion. Yep. The string pay publishing is written in zigzag pattern on a given number of rows like this. You may want to display this pattern in a fixed font for better legibility. Pay publishing. Yeah. Let me. The quality of being clear and enough to read.
Legibility.
Visibility. Okay. And and then read line by line, PAHNAPLSIIGYRR. Yeah, write the code that will take a string and make this conversion given a number of rows. Zigzag pattern. Number of rows is 3. The output is PAH. So maybe P and 1, 2, 3, 4. So it take 3 characters. Between the gap. PAHN and a one, two, three, four. Why? I'm not sure. I don't know the problem, what problem is saying. You may want to display this pattern in the next font. What if the number of rows is 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. PI. What? Zigzag pattern. Zigzag pattern. Zigzag pattern. PAH. What? I need to understand the problem. Anyway. Create a file and PAYPALISHIRING. Okay, so zigzag means like this. I understand. Okay. And we return the string in a zigzag pattern. Okay. So the number of rows ranges from 1 to 1000, and S consists of English letters plus comma and period. Okay. Yeah, we can handle these characters as same as English letters. So the idea comes to my mind is to take number of rows -1 characters at first, and okay, so yeah, the problem asks us to return the strings that is read line by line. So first we should make these kinds of forms, and then we should read it line by line. But I think we can find a pattern of indices, because in this case zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so 0, 4, 8, 12, yeah, right? So we can calculate it. Yeah, so we can classify them by depths. So the depths first, second, third, fourth, like this, and for each depth the order of characters doesn't change, right? So we can prepare for each depth, and yeah, and read it from the first, right? So I think String and iterate through S, and we should manage the depth. And depth map, and the key is depth, and add a character. The character and the depth is basically incremented or decremented. Yeah. So if num rows equals to depth 0, 1, 2, 3, and in this case depth number, so the number of rows minus 1 equals to depth. The depth should be decremented, and no, it should have directions, so going positive or going negative. So I prepare the flag is increasing is true. So if is increasing and I want to start depth with 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and for updating depth, if it's increasing and the depth is less than num rows, we can increment depth, and else if it just is increasing and depth equals to number of rows, it means it points here. In this case, we should depth decreases and is increasing turns to false. Else if not increasing and depth is more than 1. So in this case, depth might be 4, 3, or 2. In this case, depth should be decrement it, and the otherwise it means it's decreasing and the depth is 1, so we should and converting flag to true. Right? So for each depth, the characters are appended to the proper place in the hash map, and the order of characters is correct because we just read from left to right. It's same as the original strings. So we just add characters and just manage the depths. Okay, I think this is good. But string is immutable. So in this line, the memory copies happens. Okay, so this is not optimal, so we can change the type of hash map. The value type is list, and we can append C. Okay, and yeah, by doing this, we can append the character at the same arrays, same vectors, so we can reduce the memory copies. Yeah, and finally we make the result final strings. Yeah. We want to sort by keys because the depth is the key, and concat the strings. PINALSIGYAHRPI. Yeah. But I don't know the way to do it. Let me ask. I'd like to sort hash map by key. and iterate them. So in this with this method we can take the only keys and we use sorted function. This returns a new list. Okay, and we can take depths in ascending order, and we access the value by key, by depths, and yeah, and make it a string and concat strings and return it. Okay, yeah, and the time complexity is n. Yeah, because we just loop once over original strings. Yeah, so let me run it. Seems good. Seems good. Okay, submit it. Long answer. A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay, A, B. And the number of rows is 1. I think we should fix these conditions because number of rows is 1. The depths start with 1. So I see. So in this case, we shouldn't decrement the depths. How to handle this? Is increasing and depth is less than number of rows, we can increment the depth, and otherwise is increasing but the depth might be same as number of rows. But the depth should be so maybe yeah, depth might decrease, but it's at least 1, so we can use min function. and depth might be more than 1 in this case. Yeah, we can decrement it, and otherwise so the depth maybe 1. Yeah, we should none of those and or increment in this case. So the edge case is when the number of rows is 1. In this case, we will reach this condition and this condition, and the depth keeps 1. Yeah. Wrong answer. Okay. This is not good. Sorry. My bad. How to handle the case. Is increasing, but the depth equal to number of rows. In this case, depth should be decremented and not increasing, and depth is more than 1. We should decrement it, and not increasing, and the depth should be 1. We can increment depth. But when the number of rows is 1, the depth gonna be 0 because the code reached to here, and I wanted to handle the edge case. But in a previous version, I think, yeah, this code is not good because the number of rows is usually more than depth. So what? So in this condition, we want to handle the depth is 1, right? Depth is 1, but So I think this is not bad. This is not bad. Huh? No. This is not good because 1 is usually less than depth minus 1, right? Depth is, yeah. So the number of rows is 1. We should return the original string. If the number of rows more than 1, we can handle by this code. Good. Okay. Current rows. This is clear code. Okay, but it's okay. It's okay. So I could solve this problem. And I want to add comments and review the comments in terms of English grammars. So we want to let me see the how to handle the edge case. Oh, I see. We want to handle an edge case. If the number of rows is 1, and I want to say why this case cannot be handled as same as usual cases. I understand. In this code, we assume the depth range is two values because we either do increment or decrement depths. So we have two ranges. So the number of depths, number of rows should be more than one. And restore characters in hash map. The key is depths. Depths means, yeah, I should explain what the depths means in English. Yeah, the key is depths. Depths, which is a depths, which is a depths. Depths is a depths. It is a depths in written in a zigzag pattern. When the string is written in a zigzag pattern, which is the depth of character? Depth, which is the depth of the character when the string is written in a zigzag pattern. And we use one indexed, and also we have a flag for zigzag direction. And append the character. And in this case we just increment the depth. The zigzag line is going down, and in this case the depth equals to number of rows, so we should return the zigzag. I think this is not correct. We should turn back, go back, turn back, yeah, turn back. Yeah, and in this case and the line is going up, but the depth equals to 1, so we should turn back again and sort the hash map by key and iterate to build a result. Yep. And I want to explain why I use the list. We use list as value because if we use string as value, every time a character is added to value, but in this case the length of string is not big, so I don't need to care about it. But I think this is a good habit to care about memories. Okay, and finally I use ChatGPT and have them review it. Mm. Could you keep original? Instead of saying we store characters in hash, we switch characters in dictionary, where each key is row index is more natural. Switch direction is more natural than turn back. We assume that the depth range is at least 2 values. We store characters in the hash map. We'll store characters in the hash map. The key is the current depth row index. Yeah. And the value is a list of characters that belongs to the rows. And we use a list instead of a string for the values, not us. And because if we kept appending to a string, it would create a new copy each time, which is inefficient. We'll use one index depth for simplicity. This flag tells us the zigzag direction, going down or going up. And put the current character into the right row. If we are going down and haven't hit the bottom yet, just go one row deeper. If we hit the bottom row, switch direction to going up. If we are going up and not at the top yet, just move one row higher. If we are at the top row while going up, switch direction to going down again. Finally, build the result string by concurring row. And I don't actually need sorted, since rows are naturally from 1 to num rows. Really? I thought the keys of hashmap, order of keys of hashmap is not assured in order. Not assured. Yeah. Okay. So around here, yeah, I should say hit the bottom yet. Haven't hit the bottom yet. If we hit the bottom row, switch direction to going up. We are going up and not at the top yet. Not at the top yet. Haven't hit the bottom yet. Not at the top yet. We are at the top row while going up. Top row while going up, switch direction to going down again. Okay. The phrases I learned: use a list instead of string for the values, and if we are going down and haven't hit the bottom yet, and if we are going up and not at the top yet, switch direction to okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.